QR codes are here for Mathseeds and Reading Eggs. Getting your students signed in just got a whole lot easier, especially for younger learners. This means your students don't have to type in their username or password, or even remember it for that matter. Here's how to get your students signed in. Go to the login page, scroll down, and select Login via QR code. Your students will be prompted with a message to allow their computer access to the camera. They will just need to click Allow, hold up their card into the preview window, and there, they're signed in. If the computer your students are using does not have a camera, or they're using the app, they will need to manually enter their login details printed on the card. To print off the QR codes, simply go to Management and click on Manage Students. Select all students or individual students. Click Print Logins. Login cards with the QR code will open in another tab. Just print and hand out to your class. And that's it! Easy peasy. And stay tuned, QR codes will soon be compatible with the app.